Hello and welcome to Nan Loves Food. I am here today with a Trader Joe's fall haul and I am so excited about it. We have all sorts of delicious fall-y, pumpkin-y, warm, spicy goodness to share, some of which I've never tried before. So if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and you can check out the shorts where I'll actually review a bunch of these products. So make sure you're subscribed. Let's get into the haul. First of all, we got some of this premium peeled garlic. This is a thing that I buy at all stores, not just Trader Joe's, but Trader Joe's has a good one, and they individually wrap, not individually, but like they kind of clump up the cloves, which is awesome. These are so handy dandy and you don't have to peel your own, which is great. Next up, we have some vegan mac and cheese. This caught my eye when I was walking through the aisles. Not sure how that'll be, but excited to give that a try. I have heard really good things about this cashew fiesta dip. This is a dairy-free cheese dip alternative. I'm not sure why it's dairy-free and not vegan, so we'll give that one a try. Also got some vegan tzatziki dip. I'm gonna use that for Greek bowls this week for dinner. So that'll be delicious on top of a bowl with some rice and chicken and cucumbers and olives and onions. That'll be a perfect sauce for that. Grab some roasted salmon. This is just a piece of cooked salmon ready to go. So it'll be nice to have that on hand for a quick, easy lunch. Grab some organic peeled uncooked chestnuts. I don't think I've ever had chestnuts before. If you are a fan of chestnuts, let me know in the comments what you do with those. I might just eat them like they are to try them. It has a recipe for like stuffing. Grab some of these butternut squash zigzags. These are crinkle cut like French fries, but made of butternut squash. I love to throw these in the air fryer with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and salt and pepper and make them kind of like a French fry. Here comes the pumpkin. Excited to give these a go. The thing that's interesting is not only do these have spiced pumpkin, but they have paneer. So there's cheese inside. So I'm sure these will be delicious. Grab some mushroom medley. Super handy to have on hand. No prep required, and I love that. Also got some reduced guilt mac and cheese. I know this is a staple for a lot of people in their Trader Joe's hauls. They've gotten a lot of their Thanksgiving sides in, at least I assume that's what this is for. These are 4 cheese scalloped potatoes, Parmesan, Asiago Fontina, and provolone. Love all those things in a creamy sauce. Got their cornbread stuffing with roasted apples, dried cranberries, and savory herbs. These were all in the refrigerated section, all 3 of these. Got roasted cauliflower and orzo. This has sun-dried tomatoes, 4 cheeses, and kale topped with panko breadcrumbs. I can't imagine that's anything but delicious. Up next, we have some dark chocolate drizzled plantain chips sprinkled with sea salt. Doesn't that sound delicious? Got the Gizmo some better than leftovers assorted flavor dog treats. He also lucked out because they had the charcuterie dog treats, cheddar cheese salami, provolone, and prosciutto flavored treats. He tried one last night and my picky dog didn't care for him. But don't take that as an indication about what your dog will think. He's just super, super picky when it comes to treats. Grab some Japanese style panko. Everything But the Bagel Nut Duo. These are almonds and cashews with the Everything But the Bagel seasoning on them. Very excited to try the pumpkin spiced pumpkin seeds. And of course we have maple almonds. These are dry roasted. Can't wait to dig into those. Also on the maple theme, we got a Go macro bar that is the maple sea salt. I generally really like their bars. I thought these were so cute. Little dried apricots. So they're like portioned out for you. What a handy thing to throw in a purse or a backpack if you're headed somewhere. Grab some Scandinavian swimmers for the nephews. If you're not aware, Trader Joe's is really good about dyes. So in the ingredients, they use fruit and vegetable extracts for color. So no artificial colors if you have kids or grown-ups in your life who are sensitive to those things, which my nephews are. Grab some vegan mayo. I've never tried theirs before. I've recently been diagnosed with an egg allergy or sensitivity. Trying all the vegan mayos on the market, I have yet to find one that I like. So I hope Trader Joe's is it. Got some tahini. Love to have this on hand. And some Guatemala olives. Those will go in our Greek bowls as well. Some nice creamy peanut butter. Sliced black olives. I'm super excited to try these pumpkin spice batons. They are just wafers filled with pumpkin spice goodness, so yum. And then I wouldn't be my basic self if I didn't have some pumpkin spice in my life, so grab their pumpkin spice coffee. This is a caffeine-free Harvest Blend herbal tea. Herbal teas and I don't always get along because I don't really like anise, and they seem to put anise things in all the herbal teas, but this one doesn't have any. So it's cinnamon, ginger, hibiscus, cinnamon, apple, natural flavors with chicory and orange peel. So hopefully that is as good as it sounds. If you guys are not getting this roasted corn when you go to Trader Joe's, you are missing out. This is so, so good. The roasting adds so much flavor, just to add to any sort of dish where you want that kind of smoky goodness. If you're one of those people who adds corn to your chili, which we are not, that would be really, really good. But anything you use corn for, this is just going to bump the flavor. I don't recall having seen this before. This is a quinoa duo with vegetables. It's got zucchini and sweet potato, tomato paste, onions. So, I mean, everything in there sounds good. So hopefully that will be as good as it sounds. Grab some green apple sparkling water. Basically, I must have wanted apple drinks while I was there. They had this Honeycrisp apple cider, and then also their spiced cider. I'm pretty sure I had this last year and it was phenomenal, but we'll taste it again just to make sure. My sister loves persimmons. I think they're fine. She is kind of obsessed with them, and they just had them in for the first time, so I grabbed some of those for her. I don't really know how to tell like if they're ripe and ready to eat. If you do, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know. Block of feta cheese. We have their authentic Italian gnocchi, which I make sheet pan meals with. They are so, so good. This is a new item to me, spicy jollof seasoned rice mix. Basically, it's rice with a bunch of really good spices in it. So we'll throw that in the rice cooker and see how that turns out. I've heard amazing things about these fig and olive crisps, and I love fig and I love olive, so I grabbed this new barbecue rub seasoning with coffee and garlic. I can usually trust Trader Joe's spice blends, so we'll see if this one's any good, but coffee and garlic and my barbecue sounds just fine to me. Also, this I believe is new. It is a cheesy seasoning blend. Cannot wait to add that to some popcorn. I got their fancy cream of mushroom soup. We will use that to make traditional green bean casserole, which I love. It's one of my favorite Thanksgiving sides. Also got another one of these shelf-stable whipping creams. Absolutely love having that in the pantry. This is gonna be a new staple for us for sure. Got some stuffed grape leaves. These will go with our Greek bowls. And then some hearts of palm. If you haven't had hearts of palm before, it is a really, really interesting addition to a salad. I really, really enjoy it. So next time you're in Trader Joe's, I would recommend giving this a try. So that was a pretty large haul today. Lots of new and exciting fall stuff. And honestly, I kind of only hit the tip of the iceberg. I'm gonna have to go back soon. The cart was just getting really full, and I decided that I needed to walk away before $2 million entered my cart. You know how it go. Like, I bought all this stuff and I still have to go buy groceries, right? Like, this is not, Trader Joe's is just for the fun food, but I absolutely love it. I am so stoked about all of these new fall items. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you are into easy weeknight meals, you have found the right place. This is it. I've been doing lives on the channel on Monday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you're subscribed so you get a notification when I go live. I'm showing you my entire meal prep and plan for the week, which has been so much fun to chat with you guys and get to know you a little bit over there and show you what we're having for dinner. Greek bowls are obviously on the menu for this week, but come along and we'll show you how we prep and get things done. So thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.